Good afternoon, grade 6, and welcome to the STEM Digital School for Social Sciences, Geography. Okay, my name is Poitumal Mkwena, your Geography and History teacher. So today we are doing geography corrections for our informal assessment. The informal assessment that we did last week on Friday. Okay. So it's almost a week now after we wrote the test. Okay. So we are doing the corrections for it. So, but before we do our correction, there's something that I want to fix first. It is a problem. It is a big problem. Okay. This is the list for the people who submitted the work. This is the list for the people who submitted the assessment. So if your name is not here, I didn't receive your work. Okay, I didn't receive your work. That's a known statement. Okay, so I want to know why. Why did you guys send your work? Kia, I only received your history work, not geography. Okay. Nomatemba, I've received your work, but please resend it again. Your paper is blank. It is blank. And then Mashari, I did receive your work. Thank you very much. Piwa, thank you very much. And then Muruma, thank you very much as well. For geography, I only received for the Nkunas only. So the rest of you, none, nothing. It is very dry. So I want to know, yesterday people were busy answering. Mohale was answering from your paper, from his paper. So please, Mohale, send your work. Please send your work on my email as soon as possible. I have to submit your marks, guys. I have to submit your marks, okay, and your names as well. So let's make things easier for me, you know, okay? Let's make things easier for me. So if you didn't submit your work, please let me know. Raise your hand if you didn't submit your work for history. Raise your hand. If you did not submit your work for history, raise your hand, please. I wanna see you. Okay. Lindy Sikabisile, Joycelyn. Did you guys write the work though? Did you write the work? Did you write the work though? If you wrote the work, you can write on the group chat and say yes. You can write on the group chat and say yes, but I did not submit. I wrote the work, but I did not submit. You write on the group chat, just like that, okay? Those who have raised their hand, you can tell me on the group chat that you wrote, but you did not submit. Or you didn't write and you did not submit as well. Still the same thing. Michaela says, yes, I did, but I did not submit. Please submit your work. Here's my email. Copy it and submit right now using WhatsApp as well, right now. Stopsy said I forgot to send, but I'll send today. Please just do it right away, right now, okay? Just do it now. And then who else? Anna says, I never got either of the test. Okay, what's your email? Here's my email. Here's my email. If you need the question paper, you can email me. Then I'm gonna send the question paper to you. If you want to submit, email me still. Okay, I'm gonna receive your work and mark it and give you a result as soon as possible, so I can submit. I'm submitting tonight, so today is the deadline. If by 8 o'clock you did not submit, who sham? I don't know what's gonna happen with you, but please submit today before 8 o'clock. If you have to write it now. Okay, go down and write. This is the last period, so you are going to write my work after the class. Okay, cool. This is the list. So if you have sent me your work and you are not on the list, raise your hand. If you have sent the work and you are not on the list, raise your hand. Or if you are on the list and you did not submit any work, so you're on the list by mistake, you can also raise your hand. If you are not on the list, okay, Tobsile.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks, and you?
Good. What's up?
No, ma'am, you said that if we didn't submit, that we must raise our hands.
Yes, when are you going to submit?
Ma'am?
When are you going to submit?
After the period.
After the period. Nice. Did you got
yes,
my
ma'am.
Here's my email. Take
I have it.
Cool, nice. Good. Lindy. Lindy. I can unmute Lindy. I don't know why. Okay, let's move to the lesson of the day. So, guys, send your work. Send your work now. I'm here waiting for you all. Sibu?
Ma'am,
Yes?
where do we write the test?
You can write either on a paper, a piece of paper, and then you take pictures, you submit, or you can edit the question paper. You can write on top of the question paper by editing the question paper. It's still allowed. Or you can print out the paper and write on top of it and scan it again. You are still allowed.
But ma'am, where do we get the questions to?
The school website. The school website. Guys, send the school website on the group so that Sibu can get it. Or you can email me. I'm going to send you the questionnaire.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you can take my email or text me, send me your email address, anything, just to get the paper. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Okay, let me change the screen. Are you guys able to see? You can say yes on the group chat so we can move. Okay, people say they can see. All right, we are doing corrections. Okay, we are doing correction for our informal geography assessment. Okay, so your paper was exactly like this. The difference is that it has answers now. Okay, so before writing, it is very important to read the things. Okay, the things that are here on top. Okay, number one, you check whether it's for grade 6. Okay, you check whether it's for grade 6 before writing. Okay, because you will end up writing a paper for grade 5. First of all, you check whether it is the right grade. Okay, before writing, and then you check that the duration. Okay, you have 1 hour to finish it, not more than that. Okay, 1 hour to write the whole thing. And then you also check the date. Okay, it was the 24th which was correct by then. Okay, check the date, it was 24th. And then the examiner, okay, was it written by me? Okay, so that you can be sure of the thing you're writing. And then you also look at the instruction, okay? Instruction number 1 says, this test consists of 4 pages. You check, okay? You check here, that is my paper consisting of 4 pages, and then you go down and you see, indeed, it is 4 pages, okay? So that you can write all the answers. You check whether it's 4 pages, and then you confirm that, and then you write neat, okay? Your work must be neat. I must be able to read, okay? Don't just write as you please. You write with a neat handwriting, okay? Then read the instruction of each question before answering. So each question has instructions, okay? Don't just answer without reading the instruction on each question. Question 1 has its instruction. As you can see, it says define the following terms. And then you go and write without reading the instruction, you end up drawing a map. So it's important that we read the instruction, okay? The instruction tell us what to do, okay? And then answer all questions must be answered on a question paper. Either way, you can answer it on a piece of paper, you can answer it on this question paper, you download it, you edit it, you write on top of it, you type, or you print it out, you fill it in, you scan it, you send it back. Either way, whatever works for you. So use the pictures and diagrams to help you. Don't just answer questions. You look at the pictures and the diagrams that are there, okay, in order to answer your question. It's very important. Don't just jump into conclusion by writing answers without looking at pictures and diagrams. You're going to fail, obviously, okay? So question number 1, the overall for this test was 40 marks, of course. There are people who got 40. Congratulations to them. The people who got less than 40. Nobody has failed this test, by the way. So, which is a good thing. So for those who have submitted their work, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Those who did not submit, I'm disappointed, okay? Highly disappointed. So make it up to me and send your work by tonight, okay? You can make it up to me, so I'll be happy. So question 1 said that we must define the following key concepts, okay? We define what is a map, what is a longitude, latitude, equator, Greenwich, meridian, and then the hemisphere, okay? So let's go to number A. Number A, I said define what is a map. I said that a map is a special kind of drawing that shows the land from above. A map is a special kind of drawing that shows the land from above. It is a symbolic representation of a selected area drawn to scale. Okay, it is a symbolic representation of a selected area drawn to scale. So each and every area has been drawn into scale. So if your answer is different than mine, raise your hand and tell me how you wrote your answer. Okay, it's not like it's a wrong answer. No, 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 no. We all have different answers which are correct. Okay, King.
Sir,
Yes.
may I please say the answer for that?
Yes, please. Piwa. Piwa. Okay. Lloyd. 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 Can unmute Lloyd as well. Okay. Let me check on the group chat. Okay, people are asking for the school website. Please, guys, send the school website if you.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
So, ma'am, here is my answer.
Okay.
A map is a paper with pictures of the earth on it that guide you from place to place.
Yes. It repeats.
So, ma'am, is that correct?
I said repeat.
Oh, thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Lloyd. I said you should repeat your answer. I didn't hear you very well.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Mm.
So, ma'am, a map is a paper with pictures of the earth on it that guide you from place to place.
Yes, yes. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, King.
Ma'am, can I please say my answer for a map?
Yes.
It is a picture of the world on a paper.
This is a picture of the world on a paper. Yes, yes, that's correct. Okay. Lloyd, you should send me your work, okay? You should send me your work. So a longitude, I said lines on a globe that runs from north to south. Are lines on a globe that run from north to south. How did you get yours?
So, ma'am, my answer is longitude, the vertical lines on the globe which mark time.
I saw it. I've marked it right yesterday.
Thank you, ma'am.
Who else? Okay, latitude. I said lines on a globe or map that run from east to west, okay? Lines on a globe that run from east to west. Guys, let's all participate. Let's all participate. I know I'm angry that you guys did not submit my work, but I'm not really angry. So I still want to talk to you, okay? So let's all participate, guys. Please, I'm begging you. We'll deal with our issues after. Okay? Okay, I said latitude are lines on a globe or map that run from east to west. Okay, who has a different answer from mine? Okay, so your answers were the same as mine. Let's move. An equator. Okay, an equator. The equator divides the world into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. So who had a different answer than mine? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. My answer is that the equator is a line that divides the world into the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere.
Yes, it's a line that divides the world into a northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Thank you, Kia, boys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. You see, I'm not mad. Okay, so let's move. The Greenwich Meridian, it divides the world into the eastern and western hemisphere. That's what I've said. It divides the world into the eastern and western hemisphere. Or the Greenwich Meridian, it's a line of longitude. What did you say, Lloyd?
So, ma'am, the equator is the 0-degree latitude line which separates the Earth in two hemispheres or halves.
Nice, nice.
Thank you, ma'am.
Correct? I've already marked your paper anyway. You can just confirm the mark. Okay, Kia.
Yes, ma'am, the Greenwich Meridian. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, ma'am. It's a line that divides the world into east and west. Or if you want to call it the north hemisphere and the south hemisphere. No, the hemisphere and the west hemisphere.
Come again?
Ma'am, the Greenwich Meridian is a line that divides the world into east and west, or if you'd like to call it the eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct. That's correct. Mark yourself. Give yourself a mark. Okay. Lloyd.
So, ma'am, my answer for the Greenwich Meridian is the 0-degree longitude line which separates the Earth into hemispheres or halves.
Mark it correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Nice. Okay. Number F, hemisphere. Okay, a hemisphere is one half of the world. Okay, north or south, east or west. So that's my answer for hemisphere. It's one half of the world, either north or south, east or west. How did you define yours, Pure?
So a hemisphere is half of a sphere.
It's what?
A hemisphere is half of a sphere.
Half of a sphere. Yes.
Yes.
Half of a sphere. Lloyd.
Ma'am, my answer is half of the Earth.
Half of the earth. Okay. Yes. And the rest of you, other people, Muhale, what's up? You're quiet today. Okay. Kia. All right.
Sorry, ma'am, I put up my hand because I put up my hand by mistake because I already answered.
Yes, because you already answered. I was also wondering why. Thank you, Kia.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sharp. Okay, here's another instruction for question 2. Write the following a scale into a word scale. Okay, so they're telling us we should write the following. Okay, I want to do this before. Okay, write the following scale into word scale. So, guys, give me your answers. What were your answers? What were your answers?
Ma'am, my answer was 1 centimeter on the map equals 50 kilometers on the ground.
Yes, that's correct. Just give yourself a big 2 mark. Lloyd?
Ma'am, when I wrote my word scale, I first measured how much 1 centimeter was in 50 kilometers. Ma'am, it's actually 1/2 of a centimeter equals 50 kilometers.
Hmm? Come again?
Ma'am, I measured the line scale with my ruler, and ma'am, it seems like the answer is actually 1/2 of a centimeter is 50 kilometers.
Okay, I'm gonna give it to you, that one. You got it. Thank you, Lloyd.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So you used your ruler. Nice, nice, nice. Okay. Number 2. Okay, so myself, I wrote 1 centimeter. So 1 centimeter, this one, from here, from 0 to 50, we can say it's a centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter on the map represent 50 kilometers in real life. Okay, in real life. So I said throw 1 centimeter on the map. So now I'm giving you a scaling weight. Draw 1 centimeter on the map, okay? Represent 10 kilometers on the ground as a line scale. So I've given you the weight scale to make your own scale. So I don't know how you're gonna answer this one, but let's hear from Pure. Pure.
Ma'am, my answer was when they say draw 1 centimeter on the map represents 10 kilometers on the ground as a line scale.
Okay.
Ma'am, I started from 0, then went up to 10, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 50, up to 100 kilometers.
Nice. Nice one. Mushuri. Sorry. Okay, you can get.
So
Yeah.
then my one was I started from 0, then I measured 1 kilometer. I measured 1 centimeter, so I put that down for 14 times.
For?
Then I put 10 at each mark, ma'am.
Come again.
For the line scale, ma'am, I started at 0, I drew a line, I measured 1 centimeter each on it. Ma'am, I indicated 1 centimeter each 14 times, and then, ma'am, I wrote what that indicated.
Okay, which is?
Which is, ma'am, 1 centimeter on the map represents 10 kilometers on the ground.
Yes, nice. Give yourself a mark. I've already given you marks. Okay, good. So let's move to question 3. Refer to the appendix, okay, on page 4. So we are going to page 4, and then we find it here. Okay, this is the one. And then we come back. It is a map of South Africa, okay? Write the scale as a weight scale. Okay, the map of South Africa, let's look for it. Okay, here, give me the weight scale of this map of South Africa. Pure.
Ma'am, my answer was 1 centimeter on the map equals 100 kilometers on the ground.
Fantastic. That's correct. The boys?
Thank you, ma'am. My answer was 1 centimeter on the map and 100 centimeters on the ground.
Come again? You said
Ma'am,
something.
Ma'am, my answer was 1 centimeter on the map and 100 centimeters on the ground.
No, it's kilometer, boy.
Oh, kilometers, sorry, ma'am.
You made a mistake. I realized that. It's kilometer, ne?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. What's happening on the group chat? Sim, what are you talking about? Please behave, guys. Behave, okay? All right, let's move. Okay, as I was saying, it is a map of South Africa, right? The scale as a wet scale. So you guys said 1 centimeter on the map represent 100 kilometers in real life. So that is it. It is correct. So here we go. Use a ruler to measure and calculate the distance in kilometers. Okay, in kilometers from Cape Town to Johannesburg. So we come to the map, okay? We look for Cape Town, okay? And Johannesburg. Where is Johannesburg? Up there, okay? Up here. So you tell me the things you've used in order to calculate the distance from Cape Town to Johannesburg, and give me your answer as well. Anybody wants to try? Is there anyone who wants to try? Calculate the distance from Cape Town here and Johannesburg. Okay, what is the real life distance? So if you're traveling from Cape Town, what will be the distance to Johannesburg? King?
Ma'am, my answer was 1,313 centimeters on the map equals 1,300 kilometers on the ground.
13 centimeter.
Equals
Okay.
1,000 kilometers on the ground.
And then, did you calculate?
Yes, sir.
Okay, calculate.
Sir, I did 13 times 100 and I got 1,300 kilometers. 13 centimeters times 100 equals 1,300 kilometers.
Okay, with mine, I got 12.2, okay? 12 and a half, okay?
Yes, sir.
Also correct, Pure. You're also
Yes, sir.
correct. You're also correct. So the distance is around that. So you're also correct. You can give yourself a mark, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, mine was 2.5. You got 13. We won't crucify you for that. Please give yourself a mark, please, okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Who else? Who else wants to try? Okay, mine gave me 12.5 centimeter. Okay, as I used my ruler from here, Cape Town, up to Johannesburg. It gave me 12.5 centimeter. Okay, and then from that 12.5 centimeter, I had to come and calculate. Okay, so the distance on the map was 12.5 centimeter. Okay, so I then wrote 12.5 times 100. Okay, 100 kilometers. These 100 kilometers, the scale, and then it gave me 1,250 kilometers. So from Cape Town to Johannesburg, it's 1,250 kilometers. Let's move. Distance in kilometer from Johannesburg to Durban. You give us the distance.
Ma'am, my answer was 5.5 centimeters. So I said five and a half centimeters times 100, and I got 550 kilometers.
You got 500. You got 500.
My answer was 5.5.
Okay. It's also correct, Lloyd. 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 Okay, we can get hold of Lloyd. So my distance was 5 centimeters. So I got 5 centimeters from Durban to Johannesburg. Okay, that's what I got. And then I said 5 centimeters times 100. Okay, 5 centimeters times 100. Let me just calculate quickly. 5. Do you guys have your calculators? If you have a calculator, please calculate it for me and check if the answer is correct there. Lloyd?
I'm sorry, ma'am. I had a connection problem there, but ma'am, I just wanted to ask if your answers are estimated.
Yeah. They are estimated, but here I made a mistake. The answer is supposed to be 500 kilometers. Okay.
500 kilometers. Because
Yes.
ma'am, my answer for number A, number 2A, was that, so I measured in millimeters 119. Then I divided that by 10, which is 11.9. So I had 11.9 centimeters written. And then I multiplied that by 100, which gave me 11,900. Then I simply put the decimals where they're supposed to be. And then my answer, ma'am, is 1,190 for number 2A. And for number 2B, ma'am, I measured 4.8 centimeters. Then I multiplied that by 100, which was 4,800. Then I put the decimals where they needed to be, the decimal points, and then it showed 480 kilometers.
480 kilometers. It is correct. It's correct. Okay. It is
Yes, ma'am.
correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much. So mine here is 500. Okay. So yeah, let's move. Can you see the screen, right? It was off for a moment. Okay, it was off for a moment. Question 4. Draw a globe in the space provided. So it was blank the time I was giving you, right? So I draw mine. You see, I'm a good drawer. Okay. And label the following: Northern Hemisphere, Southern Hemisphere, the equator, okay, the Greenwich Meridian, Tropic of Center, Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. So as you can see, I have labeled mine, and you guys did label yours, and I gave you the 14 mark. Okay, I gave you the 14 mark freely. Thank you guys. It was really nice seeing your drawings. So here is the equator, you see, and then here going up the Greenwich Meridian, and then we have the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. So those were the things that you were supposed to draw. Did you guys draw it the same or it was different? Was yours different, Kia?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, I wanted to tell you that, ma'am, people are busy posting links and now we can't talk. The host has switched off the chat.
Yes, people are busy posting things. Those who are posting things will be chased out of my class. I repeat, I'm going to chase you guys, okay? I'm going to chase you. So please behave, okay? Behave. Okay, thank you, Kia.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so
Thank you, ma'am.
sharp. I think we have reached to the end of our lesson of the day. Tomorrow, playing Kahoot, we are done with our corrections. That's a good thing. So submit your work, guys. Submit my test. Okay, Muhale, I was missing you so much today. I didn't hear your voice. And the others, guys, why were you quiet today? Come on, you must talk to me. Talk to me. Yes, Muhale.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, I'm looking after my brother.
Okay. Sorry. Okay. I understand. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You should submit your work though.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, please do that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Sharp. Thank you very much. At least you are still okay. Okay, guys. Tomorrow playing Kahoot. We are done with our lesson. At least today we are early. We are very much early. It's a good thing. It's a good sign. So tomorrow is Friday, guys. Hey. You and okay, yes, tomorrow playing Kahoot. That's correct. And then you should enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, King Piwa, you want to say something?
What?
Bye, ma'am, and bye, other students.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. Okay, so guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Sanitize. Stay safe. Submit my work before 8. Otherwise, we'll never know. Okay, Sharp, you can unmute yourself and say bye to your friends.
Ma'am,
No.
get the